Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Kagem. Okay, so in today's video, I want to show you guys this gift I got from a family friend of mine. And it was like for my wedding, and it's a really special piece. Well, here it is. I'm like just flashing it out, but this is a bracelet that I got from a family friend. That's how it looks. This bracelet is from Ghana, and I just thought it was so pretty. I was just like, I should be sharing more of my collection and things that I'm interested in. So I just wanted to show you guys. So you open it, like that's like the clasp to open. So let me just put it on now really quickly. Now I've just realized I might be putting it on and looking really clumsy. So let me put it on and then show it to you on my wrist. So keep watching if you like this video. Okay guys, so this is how the bracelet looks when it's on. So obviously, like a silly Humpty Dumpty person, I was like, okay, I'm gonna put it on. And I tried to put it on with my hands, and because of this clasp, it's really hard to put it on. My wrists are quite slim, so I just like slipped it on like that. And yeah, it's just so cute. It's just really nice. Look how it like just shines, kind of like if you look at it here in the light. I think it's just so adorable, and I was very grateful for this present. It looks a little bit better when it's like that. If I just stop it from falling down, it does fall down my wrists a bit, but it's not anything that, you know, I can't handle. I've worn this out once at night, like that. I kind of am regretting now that I didn't do my press-on nails. I feel like press-on nails just elevate bracelets to me. I know some people hate press-on nails, but I love them. I don't care what anyone that has to say about them. But just like, I feel like if I had my nails on, like it would look even better. I love this. I just think it's really nice. It's so interesting because big bracelets are not really, have never really been my thing. I like cuffs. I'm not one for armlets because I feel like your arms need to be shredded, and I'm on a weight loss journey at the moment, so I'm trying to get there slowly but surely. But big bracelets to me, like chunky ones like this, have never, I've liked them. I just have been worried about wearing them. But then ever since I got this as a gift, I think it's great because it's like pushed me out of my comfort zone. So yeah, I just thought I'd just show you guys this. It's very beautiful. It doesn't actually feel excessively heavy to wear, if that makes sense. It doesn't feel like particularly heavy. I mean, obviously if I do this, I can feel it moving, but it's not anything that you can't handle. So if you're someone who prefers thin bracelets, like me, just personally, I like thin bracelets, I like big bracelets, but I like them kind of the Cartier style, like clasped onto your wrist. I kind of prefer that. I don't really like them when they move too much, but I love this one when it moves. So I don't really know like why. So if you guys are looking for, I don't know, just something kind of different or unique, don't sleep on you know, big chunky bracelets, because they can look so good and they can kind of just give your like outfit a different vibe, because you can see now that I put it on, it just has like a different vibe to it. I think it's like the gold and yellow tones are just, I don't know, they're just so cute and different and pretty. Okay, so yeah, let's keep talking about this bracelet, and make sure you subscribe to my channel if you like this content. I think one of the biggest things about bigger bracelets, and I've noticed this, is like bigger bracelets, I think in general, are kind of associated with like, you know, events, or you're going out, because they are big and you do feel them on your wrist, and you do actually kind of feel it. It's not like, it's not unbearable, but yeah, you do feel this on your wrist. Like, I'm not going to pretend here, but oh, it looks good like that. But I think ultimately for me, I just love how this looks, and I think it's such a cute piece, and it's really nice, and it's actually very intricate. I don't know if you can see how intricate it is. It's like beaded, and it's got some like little costume jewelry pieces inside there, if you can see that. So pretty. I've worn this, like I said before. I just love, like, I love it when I get challenged to like try new things, and I think that's what I find so exciting about like when you get like receive a gift, which is always a blessing from God to receive a present from a friend. But I just like, I love how different this is. It's just so different for me because I don't normally wear bracelets like this, and I actually love bracelets. I've been looking at bracelets like literally like all of August, I've been looking at bracelets online, whether it's like luxury brands or high street brands on ASOS. I've been like, where are the bracelets? I love bracelets, I love cuffs, I love everything connected to bangles, bracelets, whatever you want to call them. I love bangles, etc. I just have never tried anything that's like this big. So it was really cool to receive this as a present. And yeah, I absolutely love this piece, and I definitely want to get more wear from it and use it more times. So yeah, absolutely love this. It's a 10 out of 10, and I'm very grateful to have received it as a present. It was very generous of them to give me this gift.